for my kale. I'm going to add to my salad. So it's so pretty. Next time I use those. See the next one up there? Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty Plate. It's me again. You saw me earlier this morning out in my field reaping my kale, right? I'm now gonna prepare it for you, okay? And it's best when you can cut it as fine as you can. Cook better, it tastes better. And kale, it have a lot of benefits. You can put it in your salad. You can steam it. You can cook it. You can make juice. Okay, put it in my container. It is so nice when you can use your stuff from your backyard that you plant. Nice. Oil in my pot. Onion. My green pepper. Also my tomato. My red pepper. Also my garlic. And my hot pepper. Okay. In my season, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of Mistress Dash, and a pinch of black pepper with a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it for like 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, nice. Looking good. Looking good, 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 good. All right, I'm gonna taste it and see if it's okay. Okay, need another little pinch of salt. Just a little pinch of salt. Okay. This is perfect. I can turn my stove off now. Looking beautiful.